Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to promote pay per lead offers. For this example, I'm going to be using one of the offer I was currently declined for. I'm going to share exactly how I was going to promote this offer. Now, the offer is called FreshBooks. Now, it is over on Shareasale. If you don't have a Shareasale account, I would recommend you grab one. Now it's 100% free to sign up for this network. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this very video, or in the cards up here. You can go check out that video to show exactly how to sign up for Shareasale and how to make money on Shareasale. Now, if you don't like Shareasale, there's Impact Radius. Now, Impact Radius is another awesome affiliate marketing network that is a very good alternative to Shareasale. To get into both these networks, Shareasale and Impact Radius, you're gonna need a website. So if you don't know how to find CPA or PayPal lead offers, then on Shareasale, all you need to do, if you have an account, you just go over to categories on the home page, then hit on modify search right here. Now ensure the filters are set as you see here. Ensure you set to PayPal lead, auto approval enabled, and has coupons available. The reason why we enable coupons is because we want to get people buying, because if they see a coupon, they are more willing to buy, and ensure you mention that in your video. Now hit on search and it should bring you some couple of offers right here. So if you are interested in an offer or you want to check it out later, you can add to favorites right here. Now if you want to see your favorites, you can create a list here, as simple as that, and save. Now here you access your favorites. I don't want to open them up because these are offers I'm currently promoting at the moment. The more filters you add, the less brands you will see. If you want to see more brands, then uncheck the coupons one right here, enable parcel and flat rate. That way you will see more brands, and you can see there's many brands that you can promote on this using this very network, and these are automatically approved, ready for you to promote. Say you wanted to promote the FreshBook offer, all you do is you go in here and type in FreshBooks, then hit on search. This is answerthepublic.com. I will leave a link to this website in the description down below. Now let's say you found an offer and you have been approved for FreshBooks. Now all you do is you switch over to data right here, and these are all good keywords that you can make videos about. Now I would encourage you to make a full hour-long tutorial answering all these questions and add timestamps to these very questions, and this will help your video rank on Google as well for these very queries. Now if you want to do more brands, then I would encourage you to check out the prepositions. If you wanted to target different markets, then you should check out the prepositions. So for example, FreshBooks for accountants, for Macs, small businesses, freelancers. You will be reaching these audiences by just targeting these very keywords with your YouTube videos. And if you don't wanna you make YouTube videos, and we have a bonus strategy you can use towards the end, so stay watching. Now if you don't want to promote FreshBooks alone, then there are other brands that you can get promoting as well. FreshBooks and QuickBooks, all these have an affiliate program. FreshBooks and Stripe, they all have an affiliate program. FreshBooks and Shopify all have an affiliate program, and there's many of these that you can promote. Some of these I even don't know I myself, but you can find these good ideas right here. And I guarantee is that most of the products over on Shareasale have very low competitive keywords, because very few affiliates are able to get into this network. That is a cool trick that I wanted to share with you. And if you want to get more keywords, then you can enter these individual brands that you are automatically approved in here and see what keywords are available for you. Now if you want more training on how I do this I myself on my other YouTube channel, then you should definitely check out my free YouTube training, and it will take you from start to end, so you can truly understand affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to enter your email address, and then I'll take you straight to the page and you can start watching the videos. Now, if you want more traffic with that doesn't concern YouTube, then this is the part for you. If you want to learn more about Shareasale, this is the video for you. For those of you who impact affiliate network, the video is right here for you. You want keyword research, the video is here for you. And for those of you who want to start your own free website, I have a tutorial right down here for you. Now, if you don't know what your niche is, the video is here for you. And for those of you who want to know how to use Medium, the video is right here for you. Now, if you have any questions, please be free to leave me a comment and subscribe, and you can check out my keyword tutorial right here, or the playlist on the screen right now, which is this one right here, where you can get more traffic sources as you wish.